All right, we're talking with Mr. Paul Dark, who's the owner of Benefit Management Associates.
All right.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now you were on about a year ago, and we were talking about the Affordable Care Act. Now, there was a lot happening then, and then there's a lot more happening now, and there's a lot of confusion because it's about to be implemented. Okay, talk about the confusion. Where's the confusion lie?
Well, you know what? I think a lot of the confusion is in regards to everybody at this point is panicking because of the fact that it's supposed to take place October 1st. And that's not really true. I mean, right now it will be implemented January 1 of 2014. However, individuals as well as Shoppe, which is small businesses, will be able to go into the marketplace and review different plans for both themselves, their employees, and also individuals. That will be made available October 1st.
Okay, and talk about this marketplace. What do you see as the marketplace for these health plans?
What's going to happen is that let's take it back from large businesses. For large businesses, that would be any companies that are 51 employees plus. Those companies will not have a mandate in regards to providing insurance to their employees until 2015. So the question is that everything's supposed to take place 2014. So what is their obligation at this point right now for 2014? What their obligation is that they have to make things available to their employees. There's no participation. They don't have to pay anything in regards to plans at this point right now until year 2015. For the individuals that have less than 50 employees or less than 51 employees, they will have the option to go into the Shoppe Marketplace. Before, they would call it the exchange, and we're all accustomed to hearing the word exchange, but now they call it a Shoppe Marketplace, and those individuals will have an option to utilize a few different plans. The first plan being the catastrophic plan. So the catastrophic plan is pretty much a bare minimum plan where the co-insurance, which is how much you would be paying, is going to be 50%. How much the insurance company will pay, that will be 50%. The next plan is what they call the bronze plan. The bronze plan is the insurance company is going to be responsible for 60%, and you as an individual will be responsible for 40%. The next plan is the silver plan, and that particular silver plan has a 70% co-insurance, which leaves you with a 30% participation, or you would pay 30%. The next plan is it's quite a few plans, but the next plan would be the actual gold plan, and with the gold plan, you would be responsible for 20%, the insurance company would be responsible for 80%, and lastly, they have the platinum plan. What will happen with the platinum plan is that the insurance carrier would be responsible for 90%, and you as an individual would be responsible for 10%.
Okay, so would the price of these plans be the same no matter which company you go with, or will there be some price variances as far as the bigger, larger name brand insurance companies versus a cut rate insurance company? How's that going to work?
That's a good question. What will happen with the Shoppe Marketplace is that it would be a unified plan in regards to benefits like we just mentioned, but also premium. So across the board, you're going to pay the exact same amount, whether it be Humana, whether it be Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare. These products, which are called the marketplace products, as well as for an individual, will be the same premium across the board. The only other stipulation that's real important is the deductible amount. Before, in the past, we could go to, I shouldn't say infinity, but the highest deductible that was available was $10,000. Mm-hmm. Okay, now what the law says now with ACA, which is the Affordable Care Act, is that there's no plan that can exceed $2,000 deductible. Benefit Management Associates is a certified applicant and web broker for this particular product called the Shoppe Marketplace. So what I would strongly encourage people to do is you can either call us at 312-265-5097, or you can actually go onto our website, which is www.benefit, which is singular, BENEFIT, and then the abbreviation for management, MNGT.com. That way you can put the information in as far as your contact information, and we'll call you back within a 24-hour span and explain to you exactly how the products work. Now, starting in October 1st, every individual will be not, I don't want to say required, but strongly suggested that they create an account in the healthcare marketplace. And people will be able to actually go onto our website and create an account right through our website. And if you have any questions, you can always give us a call.